You know what's annoying is when you go to record a video and then you realize, oh, I forgot to record, or oh, my microphone's muted. I've done that a handful of times now and it's very annoying. Hi, welcome back. My name is Activator. I'm a caster over on Twitch, as well as I'm trying to make some content on YouTube here. And I want to bring you guys a quick little video. It's like a quick little update on everything that's going on. I'm thinking about trying another section of this channel where it's kind of like reviews on gear and stuff for streaming, or maybe for vlogging, or just anything in general. It could be this beer, it could be this coaster, it could be my AC unit, it could be this final mouse, it could be these headphones, it could be my tattoos, it could be a jacket, whatever. Okay, maybe not clothing and stuff, but unless you want it. Because I wanted to let you know that I'm thinking of other ideas to put out on this channel to give you guys something more than just tutorial videos. However, tutorial videos are still going to happen. Streaming 101 has been kind of cool. It's been fun to do. Like, I have a little bit of knowledge, but I don't have all the knowledge. I just want to let you know that I'm still going to keep doing these tutorial videos, and I want to help you guys out. You know what I mean? Thank you for watching, by the way. Now we're going to be trying some other things as well. I actually got an advice 101 type thing coming down the pipeline, where it's more of my own personal experiences on Twitch and kind of getting my own views as a caster or as a viewer out there, as opposed to just kind of showing off, you know, tutorials on how to like set up a program for you or whatnot. You like, I'm sure people need that, but at the same time, I still want to get other things out there. I'm finding this channel, so bear with me as I'm trying to find this thing. But yeah, anyways, I just want to make this short little video. I cracked open this beer and I told myself if I finish the beer, I'm going to stop recording because it's gone on too long. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for helping me get to, I think we're at like 2,300 subs or something like that, or close to. So thank you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm going to keep trying my best to give you guys content and stuff, and try to have more weekly content, or even more than just one per week or something like that. But I've been trying to figure out what this YouTube channel is going to be, because I can't make tutorials on things I don't really like. I can make tutorials on things, but like I want things to be interesting for you guys. You know what I mean? At a certain point, I can't really give tutorials on things because I don't have ideas for anything. You know what I mean? Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you. Like, subscribe, all that sellouty stuff. JK. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Thank you for watching, and thanks for all the comments and everything you guys leave. So, thumbs up. More to come.